Hello my fellow smug ones, I hope you're all okay. Well, today I've got another tech video for you because today I'm unboxing this, the brand new HomePod Mini. Anyway, let's begin. Okay, it is unboxing time. So let's have a quick little look around the box. HomePod Mini, lovely. There's the top and here's the bottom. Right, shall we see if I can do it with my... I can't. Unfortunately, I'm not cool like the other YouTubers who use knives. I've just got to use standard scissors. Oh, I like unwrapping the plastic. Yes, here we go. Lovely. Oh, is it going to come out? Come on. Oh, you could watch an episode of EastEnders, couldn't you, with how long this has taken? Come on! Hey! Oh, wow. That is mini as well. It's smaller than I was expecting. Although I did think that would be similar to the size of this, but it's well, it is actually. It's Apple's version of the Magic 8-Ball. Well done, Apple. Hopefully this will be just as awesome when it's set up. Okay, let's compare this to the Google Home Mini. Obviously, none of these are plugged in yet. I shall do a voice assistant comparison a bit later on, probably in another video, to be honest. This is just to show you the size of them all. They all look very nice, I must say. Right, let's get this set up. What else have we got in the box? What else do we have in the box? HomePod Mini. Hey. Right, we have HomePod Mini instructions. HomePod Mini stuff. Oh, you even get an Apple sticker with the HomePod Mini. Oh, there we are. Right, oh my God, this is a rarity. This, boys and girls, is what you call a plug. I know it's a bit rare nowadays, so I just trimmed my nails. I can't open anything. This is a rare sight, isn't it? Right. 3, 2, 1, draw! Right. Let's plug this in and see if we can go about setting it up. Oh look, the cable itself. If we look at the cable itself, it is braided. It'd be nice if they'd done that on the new iPhones. But never mind. Let's plug this in. Whoa! Hey, we have lights. Now what do? Do we have to go into the settings to set this up? Oh, no, look. HomePod Mini. This will be going in my kitchen. Because every time I wash up, someone always calls me. And of course, I then got to dry my hands and then answer the phone, or take my gloves off, washing up gloves, because I do not want my hands to get all manky. Yes, you can recognise my voice. Yes, you can use personalised requests. Yes, say for everyone, and I agree to your terms and conditions and sign my children over to you, etc. Or my child, or whatever. Yes, that's me. Ooh.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey
Let's
Siri.
get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Siri, play some music.
All right. Here's some music picked just for you.
Well, that was quite cool. I can't leave it on. Unfortunately, YouTube likes to give copyright strikes. Siri, tell me a joke.
What do Alexander the Great, Winnie the Pooh, and Chance the Rapper have in common? Same middle name.
What? Very funny. Siri, play me some royalty-free music.
Royalty-free music lab now playing.
turn up the volume. Siri, stop. Wow, that was really good for a little speaker like that, to sound that bassy. I'm quite impressed. Apparently the HomePod has 4 microphones in it and can pick you up across the room when music is playing. So let's just put that to the test. Play me some royalty-free music.
Here's Sam Niggy Norgy by Walty Ducks.
Well, you heard me.
Sorry, I don't understand.
How old is Will Smith?
Will Smith is 52 years old.
Siri, text my girlfriend, you smell of poo, smiley face.
Your message to Rachel says you smell of poo. Smiley face. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Siri, stop. Siri, what's the weather going to be today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 10 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting in the evening and rain tonight. Temperatures are heading up from 9 degrees to 11 tonight.
Siri, read my last message.
You have recent messages from Rachel. Rachel said, "Why, LOL. Would you like to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say?
I'm testing out for a YouTube video and now you are the star! Exclamation mark.
Your reply to Rachel says, "I'm testing out for YouTube video and now you are the star." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. Okay, no other messages.
Lovely! Siri, call Reese Witherspoon.
I don't see a Reese in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
Jennifer Aniston.
I don't see a Jennifer Aniston in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
Margot Robbie.
I don't see a Margot Robbie in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
No! Find their numbers!
Okay, I won't do it.
Okay, before I go, I'll just quickly show you can transfer the music to your device. Let's transfer it back again. Okay, I'll test this out with a few more other things, and at some point I'll make another video, like I said, comparing these two bad boys with it as well. I don't think I need to compare the Magic 8 Ball anymore. What do you think, Mr. 8 Ball? No doubt about it. Okay, back to me. So will you be getting one of the new HomePod Minis? You can let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, you can let me know by giving the video a like, subscribe to stay updated, and I'll see you in the next one.